Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply a collagen face mask. Start by cleansing your face to remove any makeup or dirt. A clean canvas helps the mask work its best. Gently exfoliate to prepare your skin, allowing for maximum absorption of the collagen. Make sure your face is completely dry before moving to the next step. Now, carefully take the collagen mask out of its package. Gently unfold it, being mindful not to tear the delicate material. Position the mask on your face, aligning the eye, nose, and mouth openings. Press it down gently, smoothing out any air bubbles to ensure full contact with your skin. Once the mask is in place, it's time to relax. Leave the mask on for the recommended duration, typically between 15 and 20 minutes. Try to avoid talking or making too many facial expressions during this time. Just lie back, unwind, and let the collagen work its magic on your skin. After the recommended time, gently peel off the mask and discard it. Do not rinse your face. Instead, lightly massage any leftover serum into your skin until it's fully absorbed. Finish by applying your favorite moisturizer to lock in all the beneficial ingredients and keep your skin hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.